Hey everyone, welcome to the 17.0, wow, major release kickoff video for Runner Core and Fleet Visibility. I'm Darren Eastman, Principal Product Manager for the Runner Core and for the Fleet Visibility categories. And I'm joined by Senior Designer Gina Doyle, who's going to kick us off to chat about Fleet Visibility. Gina?
Thanks, Darren. So fleet visibility in 17.0 is going to be focusing on fleet dashboard for groups. And you've probably heard about this previously and also seen the work that we've done to enable this for the admin view, but now we're bringing it to the group level where you'll see metrics for only the runners that are within your group or assigned to your group. And it will be the same thing as we showed for the admin area, which includes your online and offline counts, the active runners, wait time to pick up a job, which will be definitely the most exciting part, I think. And then runner usage to get an idea of how much your projects are consuming those runners. And then, so that's our biggest focus as far as features for this milestone. And then we do obviously have some space for bugs, which we are still giving a lot of attention to. And then lastly, for user experience, I'm going to be working on a UX scorecard for our kind of like newer category that we're covering, which is more around job and pipeline metrics. So I'll be evaluating the current experience for some very important tasks to be able to complete a job in that area. And we will be grading the experience and then coming out with a whole bunch of recommendations from there that we can improve that area with. Those are the biggest things. So I'll pass it to you, Darren, to talk about Runner Core.
Hey, thanks, Gina. Super excited to see all the stuff happening in Fleet Visibility. So let me just share my screen and quickly share what's coming in 17.0. In the Runner Core category. Hopefully this is sharing okay. This is the docs page for GitLab Runner Autoscaling. For the folks that have been following, we created this doc page. It's been a few iterations now, maybe a year or so ago. And this was announcing our new autoscaling technology for GitLab Runner, and specifically for customers that want to set up autoscaling runner fleets on public cloud to keep things simple, public cloud providers, virtual machine instances, right? So just to recap, if you are comfortable with Kubernetes, you can auto-scale GitLab Runner on Kubernetes. That's a different solution. We call that our Kubernetes Executor. For other folks, they would like to auto-scale GitLab Runners on virtual machines. And this is the new technology, which is replacing our legacy technology, which is Docker Machine. So right now, this feature set has been in beta for a bit, and that's kind of what you're seeing here, right? And in 17.0, the goal and the vision is that the next Runner Autoscaler technology, as well as the plugins for the major cloud platforms, the 3 major cloud platforms that we support in our plugin library, those will be transitioned to GA. So this marks the official GA release of this very cool technology. Along with the typical release post, we'll be planning to have additional blog posts that kind of goes into more details around how you can effectively use this technology for scaling your runner fleets and also some guidance in terms of which scenarios make sense for you to potentially use some of this technology and kind of what it means. The other ideas that we have as well will be kind of going a little bit deeper in terms of the plugin technology for customers that who are using public cloud providers or even on-premise clouds that have the capabilities that we need for the plugin framework and are interested in potentially looking at creating plugins for other public clouds or on-premise solutions, maybe like a VMware, for example. We'll dive into that as well. So 17.0 for Runner Core, it's really super excited about us getting to this milestone of releasing to you in GA brand new technology around autoscaling. There's been a lot of great work done here. We've been dog fooding this on GitLab.com on our Mac OS runners for almost a year now, maybe just under, and very recently on our Linux internal use runners as well. We're definitely super excited about where this technology goes. And so that's what's coming out in 17.0 in terms of Runner Core and new feature sets. One other thing to call out as well, if we're looking on that folks might find helpful is that over the past couple of milestones, we've been making improvements to the CI log rendering experience. So you go into your pipeline view, CI jobs view, you open up a pipeline, you're looking at the logs. We made some improvements over the past couple of releases by adding like multi-line output or multi-line collapsible output capabilities into the log view. What we are looking to release in 17.0 is adding timestamps to each of the log lines in the CI log. And this has been a bit of functionality that folks have been asking us for quite some time. So I'm super excited to see us getting this one finally over the proverbial finish line, if you will, in 17.0. So those are the two big new feature sets that are coming up in Runner Core in 17.0. It's a really significant milestone for us. I'm really looking forward to see that. So that's it from Runner Core. Back to you, Gina, for wrap up.
Perfect. Thank you. We're really excited for this milestone. And if you have any feedback per usual, please reach out to us. And thank you for watching.